Welcome to the online WDAA International Challenge. This short tutorial will walk you through the entry process and how to upload your videos. For more information, go to the website shown on the screen. You can also find the link by going to westerndressageassociation.org, and you will find the link there as well. There will be a link on the WDAA website that will direct you to Show Secretary online entries. Once you're there, please take note of some special information on the right-hand side of the screen. Because your session will time out after 10 minutes of inactivity, you should have all of your WDAA owner, horse, and rider numbers available so that you can insert those into the system very easily. Once you have that information, go ahead and click the Register and Sign In button, and that will take you to the next screen. This is the main page and screen for your account. Any horses or rider information that you have previously stored at Show Secretary will be listed and pre-filled here. You can simply accept the information that's listed there if you have limited number of horses and riders. Or you can update the information, add and remove riders. The same thing is done with the horse. Select your horse, update, add, and remove. It's important to know that each entry will have one horse and rider combination. If you're satisfied with all the information on the screen, you can click the green Continue to Select Class button. Now it's time to select your classes and any other special award nominations. You'll be using these drop-down boxes to select your classes, and anything that you've added will be shown at the top. The following is a short video on how to use these drop-down boxes to add classes to your entry. In this screen, you'll select your classes. At the top, it will show which classes have been added. You'll have your drop-down menu to select either your special awards or your classes. In this case, we've added the Century Rides. And you can see once I've hit Add Class, it shows on the very top of the screen. From there, we'll continue on and add the other classes. In this case, we'll do the classes in Level 1 for an open division. The top of the screen is populating with all of the classes that we've chosen. That's your confirmation that you've done it correctly. Great. I've got them all there. If I made a mistake, you can click the Remove button. This looks good to me, so I'm going to continue to select fees. There is a show office fee, which will automatically be added. And there we have it. We've now completed an entry. And then you have three options. You can print the entry form and pay with a check. You can continue to a credit card payment and process this online. You can also delete the entry and start over, or return to main menu. In this case, so you can see what the entry looks like, I'm going to hit Print Entry Form and Pay with a Check. Scroll down to sign the release forms, and once you submit that, you'll be brought back to the main screen. Don't forget, if you are competing as an amateur, you must complete the Declaration of Amateur Status form and upload it via the link here. Congratulations, you've entered the show. Once your payment is complete, you will receive the pre-filled class sign, and you can start your video sessions immediately. It will usually take between 24 and 48 hours for you to receive your sign after payment. You will log back into your account to add your YouTube video link for each of your classes. Remember that home screen I showed you earlier? When it's time to upload your videos, go ahead and log back in to showsecretary.com and you'll see this home screen. Click on the View Entry Info and Submit Video Links, and you'll find full instructions on how to load your video links. The Western Dressage Association of America wishes all our competitors good luck. Take care and good riding.